Okay, what time is it now? O'clock. So days 1 through 30, which is going to be your whole month of January, you're going to focus on foundation building. And what does that mean? That means one offer, one system. Write that down. The second thing is after January, you're going to focus on days 31 through 60. Now we're going to extend it a little bit longer, right? So we're going to go to the following month. What are we focusing on next? Traffic mastery. You got to focus on traffic mastery. That's one source, just like what we talked about on the show. One source.
That's right.
The third thing is now your days 61 through 90. Okay. So it's kind of like what I did with the 90-day challenge, except it's all the videos.
Yes.
Okay. So days 61 through 90, you're going to work on optimization and scaling up. How many of you have been a part of a program and every time you ask, how do I scale? Nobody answers that question. Well, you are going to have to figure that out on your own, huh? Well, guess what? Listen to me. In days 61 through 90, that's all you're going to focus on is learning how to optimize your content and optimize your business so that people can find you, and then learn how to scale so you can actually make more sales.
Absolutely. Oh, I love that. I love that. Now, this works because it is focused.
Yes.
And not scattered.
Correct.